Okay guys, so this is the finished look on my hair, honey. I had this behind my ear while I was doing my makeup, so it's kind of bent right there. But let me get up close. Yeah, look at that. What lace, honey? What lace? What lace, baby? If you guys want to see more videos like this and how to do a wig, how to make a wig, all my wigs that I make are glueless wigs. This one is also glueless, but I glued them down because I want it to be extra melted. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, baby, continue to watch. Get the tea, get the 911, okay? Get everything you need, okay? Get into it, baby. Period. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So today we're using Ywigs. I absolutely love their frontals, so that's why I chose them. This is my first time using their 613 bundles. I'm super duper excited. It comes with this little free bag. How cute. Who cares about a bag though? It would have been nice to get something else. Maybe something to tie the lace down, something like that. But yeah, maybe this bag is to carry your wig in. That's nice. Or your hair or whatever. This elastic band, it came with 3 bundles and a frontal. This is a 20-inch frontal. Look how good that frontal look, guys. Like, girl, it's already wet lace, okay? It's already wet lace. But yes, and the frontal is very stretchy. I have 24 inches in off the bundles. As I said, 3 bundles because you guys don't be listening, and sometimes I don't put stuff in the description box, so watch the whole video. So yeah, I'm using 3 bundles of 613, and she bouncy and she cute or whatever. They did have a couple of strands that came out of the bundles, which is normal because it's 613, all hair sheds. I don't care what nobody say. But ever since it's been in my head, it hasn't been shedding, so that's awesome. I'm using Wiggins lace tint, the Wig Guru's lace tint. I'm sorry. And I'm just showing you guys all the tools basically that I'm using. Bow hole, thread, clips, T-pins. I'm just kind of showing you guys everything that I'm using. Dome cap, you need that to make your wig. Whatever you like to use is up to you. I bought these caps to go under the wigs, even though I didn't use them at all because this lace is so transparent. It's so bomb. But yeah, these are the kind of caps I like to use. And a razor to cut that lace off, and a pen to draw on the cap, a metallic pen, so we can know where the lace tracks, and our mannequin head. So here we are putting our mannequin head, our cap on our mannequin head, so that I can get the measurements together. We're making this wig on a sewing machine. Yay! Sewing machine wig. We're making this wig on a sewing machine. I'm just getting the cap right, getting it together, making sure she's good. And I'm gonna take, this is a 22 head. I'm actually a 21, but I didn't know where my 22 head was at. So it's a little bit too big, but it's okay. You can always go and fix that. So now I'm taking these pins and dragging them down. Y'all look a hot mess. Don't judge, but I'm dragging these parts down the nape area. So like where your neck would be at. Your nape, your lower part of the neck, where your hairline stops. So yeah, we got that done. Now we're gonna go on and put on the frontal to make sure we get that right and get it aligned right. And you want to pin it in the middle and put it a little bit in front of that hairline. Of that cap. As you guys can see, I'm putting it in a little bit in front of that cap, so like an inch. or 1/2 inch in front of the cap. And I'm placing that back down, and when you're doing this, you just want to bring that part straight down. When you laying the sides down, you just want to bring it straight down from where you clipped it at. You don't want to pull it back or none of that. You want to just put it down where it falls, so that it's straight down. And you can also put a pin in the front, so it's going to make that M shape. That's how you know if you did it right. It's going to look like an M in the front. So yeah, I'm just clipping the sides down. The little T-pins I bought, they were so tiny. I had bigger ones. But y'all, this is something that I have to keep on repurchasing because I lose them. Bam. Now it's done. We're taking it down. I braided it down. Now I'm about to go and draw the line so that way we can have our guide. So now here we are taking the frontal off so that way we can draw our other lines on. And it's a nice, I went back and did a different line just to make sure I have it laid how I want to have it laid. So yeah, now I'm drawing the lines in the back. You don't want to draw these lines too close together because you don't want to sew this close together. So with that being said, when you do start sewing, you're going to sew some of the tracks together. I sewed all of the 3 bundle tracks together to fit all of it in, and I did. But yeah, if you put it too close together, it's going to make the cap shrink, and then the wig is going to be too small, and you don't want that. So I'm just taking these pen and drawing these lines. Okay, so now it's time for the sewing part. You want to take the cap off and align it with the lines that you drew on and start your first track. That's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I pressed that little side button with that U, that little button on the side of the thing that you mess with the stitches, the thing under that. That's the back stitch. When you first lay a track down, you want to sew it regular, and then you want to go in and back stitch. So here I am sewing it on, and you want to go with the round wherever the line is at. That's where you sew it. That's why you draw the lines for your guide. So you start at the back of the wig first, and you just sew it down, cut the tracks as you go, as you're gonna see me cut right now. Bam. I also have another video up showing you guys how to make a wig on a sewing machine with the closure. But as you can see, look at that, guys. It looks so neat. That's what I love about this. It's so neat and so flat. So here I'm showing you how to sew the tracks together. You just kind of want to unravel a bundle and sew the tracks together. 2 tracks. Fold the tracks in half and sew it. And I'm still doing this on the same zigzag stitch. Stitch number 4. I think this is the zigzag pattern I'm using. So now I'm just sewing the actual lace part on that we measured for onto the wig cap. Back onto the wig cap. I'm just sizing it up, putting it back where it came, where I drew the measurements at. And I'm gonna sew that part down. So now I'm just showing you guys how neat it is on the sewing machine. Look how good that looks, honey. Yes, it looks so good and so bomb. And you guys can see the zigzag. Now I'm dipping in purple shampoo because I want to get some of that yellow out. I want it to be more white looking than yellow. I just don't like yellow blonde hair at all. And it's just regular water, lukewarm water. I didn't boil it or nothing. If you boil it, girl, your hair might be purple. And don't leave it in too long. Leave it in for about a minute, because it'll turn gray. So yeah, I'm just dipping it in and out the water, kind of like watercolor. I'm toning the hair using watercolor, getting it a little ashy. I really got that yellow out real fast. You guys want a plucking video, just let me know. I'll do a plucking video. Here I am using a lace tint. I cut some parts of the lace off so that I can see what color lace tint I should use. The first color was caramel. This color is pure beige. And yes, we're gonna go from there. And I'm using pure beige because that's the color that I decided that matched me better. Even if you have a client, you should do that. Spray first, spray some of the lace first, and see which tint matches them better. If not, use makeup. So here I am blow drying these lace tints because it's the day of my birthday and a big celebration. So I'm kind of holding it down. This basically what I was doing on my birthday, basically. So yeah, I really love it to be kind of hot. And the lace tint is gone. I have half tried other lace tint, and I feel like this one, as soon as I spray it on, I can see the color. The other one I have to spray a good amount on to see the color. So yeah. So now I'm going in with my bowl hole. I use 3 layers, up to 3. You can use up to 5 layers, but I use 3 layers of it, so it can last a week or 2. And yeah, I'm just laying it on. Make sure you wipe your forehead off with alcohol first. I didn't show you guys that clip, and I didn't do the bald cap method because I'm already bald, and this lace is so transparent. You can see the cap through the lace. Cause trust me, I tried. So now I'm just taking it and laying it down. Look at that pluck, guys. It looks so good. But yeah, I'm just laying that lace in and kind of tapping that lace into the glue. Not forcing or pushing. I'm just kind of tapping that lace into the glue. I'm going to take my blow dryer on warm heat and start blow drying that down and in. Make sure she's right. Then I'm gonna go in with my, I was about to say shears, but I'm going in with my razor and I'm cutting the excess lace off. Even if you cut off some baby hairs, that's okay. That must mean that you feel like you didn't need them. Like, it'll be fine if you cut some. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm all out of frame. But yeah, I'm just cutting this lace off so we can get her extra melted. And I didn't do the baby hairs on camera. I thought I did and cut them on camera, but maybe I lost that clip some kind of way. So I went and got the baby hair clip. I'm cutting my baby hairs on camera for you guys. I cut it with my razor. And okay, baby. I'm putting my foam in there. I like Nairobi foam or Afro-G. So I'm using my Afro-G today. And I'm swiping out my little baby hairs, making them look cute. The smaller you cut the baby hair, the more natural the baby hair will look. So, yeah. And they stay in place if you cut them shorter, in my opinion, longer. I'm getting it right, getting it point. Now I'm gonna go in and tie my hair down with one of these black papers. I like the black paper because it's strong. The white paper, it just breaks. So yeah, I like the black paper. I'm going in, tying my hair down. And I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, or you can sit under the dryer to make sure that it's really melted deeper. But yeah, I took my blow dryer and just blow dried it. I took my blow dryer and just blow dried it. As you can see, I'm combing that hair back. I'm a high comb that later towards the back. But yeah, I'm just blow drying it, honey. Making sure she's dry. You want this to dry completely. So now I'm going with my razor. Again, cutting off the top hair thing. And look at that, baby. You wasn't when you dated monkey. What you talking about? No, I'm talking about when during the summertime I had a boy. That's period. And here I am showing you guys the mousse that I use. I'm going in with my bio silk. I'm going to put that all throughout the hair. On top of my lace at the bottom. So that I can flat down and get her right. Yeah. And you can also comb out your baby hairs if you want to. I just didn't do it this day. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends on the look that you're going for. So yeah.